watching this breaker right here. So I'm looking at this inversion level. I want to see, can we get back into this opening range from the settlement price yesterday to this? I'm watching that quadrant level. So I would like to see us get back below this low and also upper quadrant of this right here. So we'll be watching CE. You know what? In threshold. This right here. So right there. So I'm putting my stops there. I want to see if we can get back to opening price. You know what? At the opening price, I'm gonna take some off there, like 3. So I'm watching this area here. See it send us down into this opening price 1. Also consequence encroachments of this entire quadrant. I don't need this. I just want to see us reach for this target here. This area is my area of focus. So I would like to see us, drop towards that area. Nasdaq has been bullish all day, which is something I did not like to see. I wanted lower prices, never got it. I took a sell here, got stopped out. So I'm watching this right now. So I'm watching this low. I want to see some energetic price action below that short-term low. Watching that, I need 1 speed below it. So at the same time, yeah, nice. That's the kind of speed I wanted. Pretty good. I would like to see them continue it lower. Let's fulfill this purpose. So let's go back to even being a sell side liquidity pool. Yeah. So that's the speed I wanted below that low. I want to see us overlap this. Look at that. See how the body is failing to do what? Close. It's failing to close above. Body is failing to close above what? Consequence encroachment. Okay. So I would like to see them do what? Send us slower from here. Like that. I want lower prices. So at this point, I'll be expecting what? A delivery to the downside. Now, I would like to see how we drop below this low. Do we take it out with speed and efficiency? So that's me doing what? Measuring order flow. I'm looking at this right here. I'm saying, what are we looking at here? I see what? The body is refusing to do what? Close below what? Above what? Sorry, consequence what? Encroachment. If we are failing to do what? Close above consequence encroachment. All to me shows that what? We are bearish. And what's up here? A breakaway gap. Let me outline that. So you can see that breakaway gap sitting right there, and what are we having here? I need more delivery to the downside. I won't just want to poke below it and just begin to reverse all the way up there. I want speed in delivery down, and we overlap this candle here. I like that close, but I don't like this return up there. I want a solid confirmation to the downside. We overlap this entire candle, then we continue to do what? Walk lower from here. So this breakaway gap right here, moving my stops just a little bit above consequence encroachment of that, just to know what, secure a little bit. So I want to see that return into this opening range. You know what? Take 5 there and leave the remaining to just run towards this area here. This is my major focus, but I would just like them to do what? This opening range here, right here. Come on, Nasdaq. Stop being a drop lower. Watching all these up close candles, I see them as another block and a favor coupled with a fair value gap. So from here, I like what lower prices inside this area here. Main threshold of this other block. So, and this is a fair value gap, so I like them to do what? Send us lower from here now. You can see that breakout line on the 3 minutes, a high, a low, a higher high. Get this delivery below it, get a return back into it, then low risk sell right there. So as you can see, moving lower. there's too many fib on my chart, so I already explained this. Yeah, we see price doing what? Failing to do what? Reach mean threshold of this other block, and from there we should expect lower prices. Now we'll stay on the 3 minutes for a while. Let me just get this off. Like to see this act as a proportion block for a push to the downside. I like that close, so I need more energetic price action now. I don't want this discounts order block to hold us in this area here. I want us to do what? Overlap it. If we are really heavy, I would want us to do what? Overlap this entire candle, and also you should expect this 2 down close candle here and walk lower from here into that opening range. That's it. That's the speed I wanted. Let us do what? Overlap this so and see more completeness of a close right there. Just close beneath it. Then as soon as you close below it, use it for support or just keep running lower. First to the what? The 930 opening range 1, then in between this quadrant level also, which also we have sell side just sitting there. So those areas are my point of interest. So hits, take that partial right there, beautiful. So we hit the 930 opening range, nice, clean, that's beautiful, right there, hit it. How's our entry? So remaining 2. Can we get back below this low right here? Now at this point, you know what, I'm gonna just pull my stop here below here. I like how we hit that area beautifully. That's the 930 opening range right there. It hits it very beautiful. And see, I'll just walk a little bit. Can we get to this level or just the middle line of it? But this was my target, so my stops is above here, so I'd like to see them. Take that off. So the 930 opening range, we came back inside, which was that what was the delivery I was looking for to that range, and possibly reach for this downside here. That's why my take profit was in between this area, because high probability we will reach this. It was high probability this might want to reach it, so I'm waiting if we can see what the quadrant level, this the middle.